now time for your lunchtime sports. Former Humber Lion forward Rafiek Thomas is dead. Thomas, who also played for Boys Town, Harbourview and Tivoli Gardens, was murdered at his home in Denham Town on Tuesday morning. He was 39 years old. Andrew Price, who coached Thomas at Boys Town, has expressed shock at his demise.
He was just at the game on Sunday night celebrating with us when Boys Town won the CASAFA Championship. And as a matter of fact, he was part of the winning squad that won the previous season. So, this news is very, very disheartening. Rafiek was a very skillful, inspirational player. It was his time playing at Boys Town that I really enjoyed seeing him play. And I really, really, really disheartened to hear this news this morning.
Now, the National Stadium facility has once again found itself under the microscope. With only 11 days to go before the senior reggae boys take on the Dominican Republic in their World Cup qualifier, a change of kickoff time looms due to inadequacies with lighting at the venue. TVJ Sports understands that the floodlights at the venue do not meet CONCACAF standards. The match is currently scheduled to kick off at 6 p.m. Furthermore, for CONCACAF, the required standard for the lights are a minimum of 1,000 lumens, but at the stadium, only some of the towers meet that standard. And based on TVJ Sports checks, CONCACAF is adamant that the facility has to be up to the required levels. It comes on the back of CONCACAF finding Jamaica Premier League champions Cavalier $10,000 in the aftermath of the CONCACAF Club Championship. In December, Cavalier hosted Robin Hood FC of Suriname in the final, but were fined for the state of the lights as well as the stadium not having an electronic scoreboard. A source at Independent Spark Limited who spoke revealed that additional lights have been ordered and are expected to arrive in the island this coming weekend. The stadium operators will then have 3 days to install those lights ahead of a final inspection. The Reggae Boys take on the Dom Rep on June 6. To the courts we go now. Boston Celtics booked their spot in the NBA Finals after wrapping up a clean sweep in their Eastern Conference semifinal series against the Indiana Pacers. The Celtics defeated the Pacers 105-102 in Game 4 on Monday night. Jaylen Brown scored 29 points while Jason Tatum added 26 points, 13 rebounds and 8 assists as Celtics ran out 4-0 series winners. It's the second time in 3 seasons that they have reached the NBA Finals. They'll face either the Dallas Mavericks or the Minnesota Timberwolves in the finals. Dallas lead 3-0 in the best-of-7 series as they prepare to host Minnesota in Game 4 on Wednesday. And that's where we leave the courts for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.